Welcome back to the MyBB Beginner series. Now that your forum is installed, today I'll show you how to log into your admin panel for the first time and give you a quick tour of the dashboard. Open your browser and go to your admin panel URL. Usually it's your forum address followed by /admin. For example, forum.liziloulovecraft.co.uk/admin. Enter the admin username and password you created during installation and click Login. Once logged in, this is your admin control panel dashboard. Here you can manage everything about your forum: users, settings, themes, plugins, and more. On the left, you'll find the main navigation menu with categories like configuration, users and groups, and templates and style. Let's look at some key areas. Configuration, where you set global forum options and settings. Users and groups, manage members, add new users, or change user permissions. Forums and posts, create categories and forums or moderate content. Templates and style, change themes and customize how your forum looks. Plugins, install, activate or remove add-ons to add new features. For security, it's a good idea to change your admin password regularly. Click your username at the top, then Profile, and you'll find the option to update your password. You can quickly jump to your live forum by clicking the forum name at the top right, or by visiting your main subdomain URL. This helps you see how changes look live. That's a quick tour of the MyBB admin panel. Next time, we'll start creating forum categories and boards to organise your community. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.